and welcome to Level Up IAS and welcome back to 10-minute series. Today our topic for the video is history of the Indian flag. So let's move. Flag and the notion of nation. National symbols of India. National animal we have as tiger, then we have national bird as peacock, then national tree as banyan tree, national fruit as mango, national flower as lotus. Now, what does national symbols do? Why do we need national symbols? इनसे क्या होता है? So they intend to unite people by creating visual, verbal or iconic representations of the national people, values, goals or history. Okay. Now, supposedly you are watching an India-Pakistan match and you see India national anthem being sung and the national flag being shown at the back. It happens during the ICC events. So you will find that connect. You will get united. If you're in the stadium, you will get connect and united by that feeling. So that is what basically national emblem or national symbols, national anthem do. Now, flag is a symbol, an object of significance and faith, with an aura around it, a sanctified sentimental representation of a dynasty. It can represent a particular dynasty or an idea of or a clan, or it can even represent nation, which it generally does during the present times. Now moving forward, flags in ancient and medieval India. Now you see this flag of the Chola dynasty, it is representing a particular dynasty, not a nation, not an idea, nothing, it's just a dynasty. Similarly, this is the flag of Delhi Sultanate, this is the flag of Mughal Empire, Vijayanagara flag of the Marathas, and this is the flag of the Sikh Empire. Okay, now the history of the flag, it can be traced to early times where totems were prevalent, which were used by tribesmen as a symbol, device or a badge for representation. Now, if you remember the movie Mohenjo-daro, in that particular, there was one scene in that movie when Hrithik Roshan had to take entry to a citadel. He uses the seal as representation, correct? So you can link that here. Moving forward, now after that, let us see how the Indian flag got developed, what stages it went through. So this was the first attempt of the official Indian flag. It was done in 1857 after the revolt. It was only after the revolt of 1857 that India got its first flag, and this particular flag was not liked by Indians. Why so? There were big reason was because it had British flag in one corner. This area had British flag. So because of this, Indians were not liking this flag because obviously we did not want it to be the fellows of Britishers. That is why. And star of the India in the middle. This it showed. Okay, moving forward. Sister Nivedita flag. Now it was designed by Sister Nivedita, who was an Irish disciple of Swami Vivekananda. It was designed in 1904. Now what does this flag denotes? Red color in this flag, it denotes our struggle for freedom. Then yellow color, it denotes that we got victory. And this particular thing is a weapon called Vajra, and it is a weapon of Lord Indra. Okay, so this is what basically Sister Nivedita flag is. Moving forward, then comes the Vande Mataram flag in 1906. Okay, it was the first national flag of India and it was hosted on 7th August 1906 in Kolkata at the Parsi Bagan Square. Okay, now who designed this flag? It was designed by Sachendra Prasad Bose and Hem Chandra Kanungo. Okay, now it has 3 stripes, green, yellow and red, and it has written Vande Mataram in the middle. Now red stripe also has one sun and crescent moon. It also has 4 lotuses. This is what Vande Mataram flag all denotes. Moving forward, Then comes the Berlin Committee flag. It is also the first Indian flag to be hosted in a foreign soil. And it was designed by Madam Bikachi Gama, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, VD Savarkar also we say, and Shamji Krishna Verma. And where was it unfurled? It was unfurled at Stuttgart, Germany by Madam Gama on 22nd of August 1907, and it is the first Indian flag to be hoisted on foreign soil. It also has three colors: saffron, yellow and green. Okay, moving forward, then comes the Home Rule League flag in 1907 by Annie Besant and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, in 1917, Annie Besant and Lokmanya Tilak adopted a new flag as part of the Home Rule movement. It had 5 alternate red and 4 alternate green and 7 stars in the Saptarishi configuration. These form the Saptarishi configuration as you can see here. Okay. Now a white crescent and star occupied one top of the corner and the other had Union Jack. Because during that time, during the Home Rule League movement, we wanted ki yes, we are a dominion status and we wanted to work under Britishers. That is where this flag was there. Moving forward, then comes the Tricolour Flag of 1921. It was designed by a youth of Andhra Pradesh. Now initially the youth said, I only want, he proposed the idea of green and red color in the flag and did not add white. He said green denotes the Muslims, red denotes the Hindus. So Mahatma Gandhi suggested that please add white color also. It will include all other religions and castes into the flag. That is why he added white color to the flag. Okay. And we have charkha in between because during that time we wanted to popularize khadi, and Mahatma Gandhi said everyone should start their own, producing their own cloth using charkha. So that is why charkha in middle. Moving forward, I'm so sorry. Self-rule flag of 1931. In 1931, the tricolour was adopted as a national flag with Mahatma Gandhi's charkha in the middle. Now this had saffron at top, white in middle, green at bottom and charkha in between. Quite similar to what we have presently, just we have the Ashok Chakra in the between now. Now this comes the present day national flag. The Constituent Assembly accepted the tricolour as the national flag on 22nd July 1947. After independence, the charkha was replaced with the Ashok Chakra. Now what does each thing denotes? The saffron color, it denotes courage and sacrifice. White color, it denotes truth, peace and purity. The green color, it denotes prosperity. And Ashok Chakra, it represents the law of dharma. Now, after independence, Indians were not allowed to hoist their flag on their offices or in the home. They were not allowed that, so they were punished. So then comes the Flag Code of India 2002 legislation. It permitted the Indians to hoist their flags in their homes, offices, etc. But also in this particular legislation only, it also listed some of the rules and regulations that were to be followed so that you don't end up insulting the national flag. Okay. Now there are some important fun facts for you to remember for national flag. Now the first is the first standard which was set by the Bureau of Indian Standards, that is Indian Standard 1. It defines the specifications for the national flag of India, cotton khadi. Okay, this is the logo of BIS. Now, according to the law, the national flag of India is to be made by khadi, which is handspun. It can be of wool, cotton or silk khadi cloth. Now, apart from that, Karnataka Khadi Gramoday Samyukt Sangh. It is the only unit in India that is accredited to supply and manufacture the flag of India. इनके अलावा अगर कोई और कर रहा है तो that is illegal. Now the width to length ratio of the national flag of India is 2:3. Width has to be 2 and length has to be 3. This has to be 2 and this has to be 3. Okay. Now the Indian flag was accepted on 22nd July 1947. So if you realize, it is accepted just before India gained independence from the British Empire. Okay. Now there is one more fact which I like to tell you. Supposedly you have your Indian flag and you have some speaker which is supposedly playing some music or so. Then this national flag always has to be on the right of the speaker and not left. Okay. Moving forward, other official flags. We don't have just the national flag, we have many other flags also. For example, this is the flag of the Indian Army. Then comes the flag of the Indian Navy, Indian Air Force. Apart from that, apart from the flags of the services, we also have state flags. This is the flag which is representing the state of Karnataka. Okay. Moving forward, I have given you one mains question. Why do we need national symbols, and describe the role of the national flag in the development of unity and integrity of the country? Okay, write down the answers in the comment section below. We will evaluate your answers. I hope you liked the video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.